Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study English for MDCAT step by step. First, familiarize yourself with the exam's English syllabus, paying close attention to grammar and vocabulary sections. Next, dedicate time daily to mastering fundamental grammar rules, practicing sentence structure, and identifying common errors. Begin building a strong vocabulary, especially terms frequently encountered in scientific and medical contexts. This foundational work is crucial for success. To master grammar, consistently practice identifying parts of speech and their functions within sentences. Pay special attention to areas like subject-verb agreement, pronoun antecedents, and correct tense usage. Engage with various sentence correction exercises to sharpen your ability to spot and fix errors. Understanding sentence structure is key to both comprehension and accurate writing, which are vital for the MDCAT English section. For vocabulary, commit to learning a set number of new words each day, utilizing flashcards or digital tools. Focus on synonyms, antonyms, and contextual usage. Simultaneously, enhance your reading comprehension by regularly engaging with various texts, including scientific articles and general prose. Practice answering comprehension questions under timed conditions to improve both speed and accuracy, preparing you for the exam's demands. Finally, integrate full-length English mock tests into your study routine to simulate exam conditions. After each test, thoroughly review your answers, focusing on understanding why you made mistakes and how to avoid them in the future. Consistent practice and detailed error analysis are essential for significant improvement. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help you out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.